Have you ever applied for a business loan and got denied? How does it feel when your loan applications have been denied a couple of times? Maybe you thought a particular bank was the problem, so you went across the street to the next bank and then to the next one. But the results all came back the same. No bank wanted to lend you capital for your business. When your business loan application gets denied, is this not supposed to be a temporary situation you can work on and fix? If so, why are you getting denied every time you apply for a business loan? Did the bank provide you with detailed guidance on what you need to do to fix your application and come back to reapply in 3 to 6 months' time? Would you like to know what you need to do to begin to put your business house in order so your next business funding application can become successful? If that's you, we can help you. The big problem here is, how do you get banks to approve your funding application so you can have that fund you need to start your new business, expand the operations of your current business? Being in the trenches day by day with dozens and hundreds of business owners all across America, we have seen small and medium-sized businesses make the same mistake over and over again. Most bank loan applications are denied because the business owner doesn't know the components of the corporate entity structure that need to be in place in a business for the company to pass the initial screening phase of the business loan application. And believe me, this is not due to lack of education, because many of the business owners we have helped, they are college educated, and some of them even have graduate degrees. But they all make the same mistakes regardless of educational attainment. Banks, on the other hand, have very strict rules that they are required to follow when it comes to lending and borrowing money. So if your business does not meet the components of the requirement for the components of the corporate entity structure, there is no way they can move forward with your business funding application. And you are most likely to be getting a rejection letter in the mail. When banks deny your funding request or your loan application, it is not their job to tell you what the corporate entity structure is, what the components are. You should have known that as a business owner before coming to knock on their doors to ask for funding. And this is the reason why we put together for you this special course. This course is the foundation of funding for any small and medium-sized business, mom-and-pop shop that want to obtain funding from traditional banks in the United States. Whether you're a new business or you're planning to start a business soon, or you're an established business, but you've struggled for years and couldn't qualify or get funding for your business, this course is going to hold your hand and walk you step by step through the 12 foundational components that must be in place for your funding application to move forward to that next stage, which is the underwriting stage. If your application didn't get to underwriting, you ain't getting that money. To expand your business, you need funding. But for you to secure funding for your company from traditional banks, it won't be possible if you don't have these 12 foundational structures in place in your company. We have made it easy for you. We have put together all these 12 foundational structures for you in one place, guiding you step by step in the right sequence you need to have them, so there is no confusion when it comes to your business funding application. We want you to approach the business funding process not with guesswork, but with certainty and confidence, knowing that you have done due diligence and have the right foundation in place in your LLC for your business funding application to be successful. Click the link on this page to purchase the course, 12 Steps to Correctly Set Up Your LLC for business funding approvals and set your LLC on that path to funding success. Imagine what life would look like for you and your business and your family if your funding application is approved today. Make that decision right now to take action and set your company up for business fund approval. Get that course, 12 steps, to correctly set up your LLC for business funding approval now and start that right foundation for your company so that when next you apply for funding, you have that great chance of making it a successful application.